Hey there, welcome to another FileDrop demo. In this video I want to show you the backup feature we've created for Google Sheets. This backup feature is an automation in the new automation tool we have available in the FileDrop app. The automation tool allows you to create different types of automations, and the backup is one of them. And we can start really easy. We just have this box here and tell the AI what to do. So it's a simple AI chat here. Actually, this is just a prompt, it's not actually a chat. Or we can start from zero from the new automation button here. So I want to create an Google Sheet backup every day at 5 p.m. And let's see what this does. Okay, so we have a name. What I need now is to select my Google Sheet. If this is the first time you're doing it, you might need to approve some permissions in your Google account. But for me, it's already done, so I'm gonna select this file. Here I'm not gonna select anything because it will back up the entire file. Okay, I need to select 5 p.m. And I need to select my time zone as well. So I'm in this one, I think, is mine. I'm gonna click next. Here I can add some conditions, but for this automation there is none. I'm gonna click continue. This is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna have the sheet name and the date. I can add time, I can add a couple of other variables, the file format, how I want it to be delivered, and I want the Google Sheet to be backed up in another Google Drive folder. And again, I'm just gonna select the folder from here and click activate automation. And this will run daily at 5 o'clock. If I want to edit it, pause it, I can do that from here. And if I want to, I can add multiple actions for this. So maybe I want to receive also an email, or I want the backup to be via email as well, and this time as an Excel file. So depending on the type of automation I want, I can set different scenarios. And in this automation, I can set multiple actions. So here I can add my email address, or a colleague, or a boss. So if I want to send a backup for my boss every day, for example, I create a daily report, and I want this report to be sent automatically after I leave work. So my work is done at 4 o'clock, for example, and I want this to be sent at 5. This will be done automatically. So these are multiple things we can do with this. I think it's really great. So yeah, if you have any questions or you want to test it, you can go to getfiledrop.com, create an account with us, and test this out. Thank you, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.